Now, chord inversions and chord voicings are pretty much the same thing. The only difference being that in a chord inversion, you always move the lowest note up. So it's a regular C major triad, first inversion, second inversion. Voicings are a little bit different. A chord voicing is basically a different way of playing the same notes, and you can play it across the entire keyboard. So I could play a C major triad like this, or I could play it like this, or I could play it like this, or I could play it like this. It's all the same chord, it's just different voicings. So whenever you hear the term voicings, it just refers to the way the chord is structured across the keyboard. And it can be any type of arrangement as long as you trigger the same notes. So C, E, and G. So these are all voicings of this C major triad. Thank you once again for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.